So hi all, welcome to Camixel Technologies YouTube video, and today is very exciting day. And the first thing I'm going to tell you is Camixel Technologies Private Limited now is the authorized distributor for Sennheiser range of products for South India. This is the first video about Sennheiser, and I'm very excited about this particular product, which is going to be a game changer for content creators, influencers, and anyone who creates video content on daily basis plus broadcasters as well. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So for today, I have the Profile Wireless from Sennheiser, and this is a game changer product. I'll tell you why. So this case comes with the product. I'm just going to open this. And this is the answer for the wireless microphone ecosystem that has been going on right now. So you will be amazed to see what kind of features and accessories this particular product caters. So first thing, you have a mic foam to avoid the noises, and you have a button here. Two buttons are there. So when you press one of the button, your first mic comes out. You can see this is one mic, and when you press second button, another mic comes out. So these are two different mics, and the main thing is in here is everything is connected with your receiver. So two senders and one receiver is there in this side, and when you click this one and you get your receiver. So all these three are interconnected. There is no hassle of your frequency connection, not connecting, all those things. Everything connected, pre-built. You just open and you can start shooting right away. So that is the biggest advantage of this. And this bar itself is a charging case. So when you plug in your mics and your receivers, it will automatically get charged. And each of these microphones will hold up to 7 hours of recording time in terms of charging. So these two microphones are holding around 16 GB of internal memory, each 16 GB, which can record up to 30 hours of content continuously. There is a record button as well over here. You can hit the record and start recording, so your voice will be recorded. That's pretty great and amazing. And you have a USB-C connectivity here. So I'll come to the connectivity part in just a moment. So I told you about this is a charging case, right? But if you open this, this can be not only connected to the camera, you can also connect it to your smartphone as well. So there are three options here. One is the smartphone option. So I'm just going to plug it out. So this is where you will connect your smartphone and keep it. So this is one thing. And people who are using Android, so your USB-C connectivity is here. You can connect your Android device or your laptop USB-C, and you can connect to this mic. Pretty simple, straightforward. And you also have for lightning cable. So people who are in behind ages, like using your iPhone 14, 13 series, who wants to use this mic, yes, you can use. We still support the lightning cable, so you are not left behind. And that's it. This is about the charging case. We can keep this aside. And what comes with the box is pretty important. So 3.5 mm cable where you will connect your camera directly. And you are getting a C-type cable where you can connect it to your system or your mobile phone directly. Yes. And we are getting two numbers of fur for avoiding the wind. Windshields, we can say it as windshield, yes. So then you are getting a book. This is what you get in Sennheiser's Profile Wireless. So one package and everything is there. So let's talk about the technology inside it. So it's a 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity, and it has a 32-bit float of recording, which is a very high dynamic range, and you can retrieve a lot of datas, even clip datas in the post-production. That is how this product has been designed in a higher quality manner. So you can see the microphones over here, you can see the mics over here, or if you have a lavalier microphone or a clip-on microphone that you want to connect over here, you can connect it here and you will get the access to it. So that much features are enabled in this Profile Wireless. So warranty period for this product is around 2 years. And so before concluding this video, I wanted to show you a test sample, how this works. And in a real life scenario as well. So we are going to take it out and shoot, and you can see the example right now.
So this is Sennheiser Profile Wireless, and I am standing in the middle of a traffic, and you can see or hear where I'm standing and how the audio sounds for you. Now we are recording in a mobile phone. We are just connected the receiver to a mobile phone directly. There is no in between conjunctions, no settings is required, just directly plug and play. You are able to record this Profile Wireless into your mobile phone as a video, attaching the audio from the Profile Wireless to the video shot from your camera. So this is pretty amazing. There is no settings required, nothing. It comes with inbuilt sync for your Profile Wireless sender and receiver is already in sync, so there is no need of setting hassles. And yeah, so what do you feel about the quality? You can just comment this down.
So this has been shot in a smartphone with this Sennheiser Profile Wireless. So about the receiver over here. So receiver over here is a completely touch based. So it is a OLED screen. So now you can see both the mics are getting connected easily. So there is no need of hassle of connectivity. Just plug in, just push the on buttons, it is connected automatically. So this is a OLED screen. If I turn around, it has a gyro sensor inside it. It'll automatically rotate. So that's how feature rich this Sennheiser is. You can mount like this, or you can mount like this. Either way, you're going to see the proper data here. And it is as well a touchscreen. So you can do your touchscreen over here. You can see the recording status. And if you want to increase, decrease, all those features can be accessed over here as a touchscreen as well. That is another added advantage for you. So we have two microphones here and one receiver. I'm going to connect this receiver to my phone. So first I take this phone symbol. You can see there is a USB symbol over here. And for camera, you will be having camera, and for lightning, you will get Apple's lightning symbol. So I'm just going to connect it over here. Okay, so the symbol should attach over here, you can see. So I'm taking my mobile phone right now, and I'm just going to plug it over here. And you can simply start shooting. There is no really a settings anything over here. So if you want, I can give you an audio sample. Okay, so I'm just going to show this pouching Sennheiser pouch case, and you have the charging bar placement. Okay, so the cables and accessories will go inside the box. So this is the Sennheiser Profile Wireless microphone, and if you want to get more information about it, you can always comment and reach out to us in Instagram, and we will always try to help you. And if you want to buy this product, you can get in touch with your nearby reseller, and the price for this product is $24,990 including taxes. I'll see you in another video. Thanks and bye.